You know, I'm always shooting in 1080p. I think today I'm going to shoot in 4K. This camera is capable of shooting 4K, 60 frames a second with the Rocksteady on. I need a car wash badly. I haven't washed it in a week. Okay, so the first thing we're doing on the way out of town. Oh yeah, we're going out of town to get the oil change in the Jetta. We're stopping at Taco Chone for some tacos, obviously.
Hi.
Hi. Where are we going?
Taco Chone.
Taco Chone. They got some Mexican Coke.
I don't know why those clothes didn't run dry.
Elote. And it's tacos. What are those called again? We forgot. You dip them in the sauce, so
I think they're called Bria.
it's really good. So here we are looking at Jeeps and Atlases. What would the plural of the Atlases be? Atli? I like this Audi too. I brought my Jetta in for its service. So yeah, I'll look around. Monkeys. Guess where I am. Clearfork. That's pretty cool. B&B Butchers. There's a water tower made out of glass. Not a water tower, but a windmill. Last time we were here was maybe a year and a half ago, and none of this stuff was open yet. So there's Tommy Bahama. I'm actually wearing Tommy Bahama shorts. Very comfortable. What? Johnny was what? Hey look, here's Louis Vuitton. A lot of apartments coming in here. High-end apartments, I would imagine. We're here around all the fancy places. Although I do need a new Burberry wallet. That's pretty cool. All the balconies up there from all the
You had me spun around.
Pretty neat. We've almost come full circle. Guess I don't 100% need this, only when I'm close to somebody or inside a shop, but not really going into any shops. Cricket is getting her pedicure done somewhere. I don't know if it's her pedicure or manicure or mani-pedi. I don't know. We'll find out though. Well, Preston and I just spotted a Starbucks across the way, so we're gonna head over there for a nice cool coffee. I'm getting a cool coffee. Are you getting a cold coffee? Like a Frappuccino or something?
Sure.
Cool. Oh, it's closed. That sucks. We are at the Piggly Wiggly. Just kidding. It's the supermarket. True fact, I've never been into a Piggly Wiggly ever. See your pretty nails. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Back home, here's my Cuban grilled panini, whatever it is. Roast beef, salami, and mustard and pickles.